All right, let me show you how to get your Google Gemini API key. So first, you just need to log into your Google AI Studio, and I'll list the link in the description below if you haven't logged in yet. Once you're logged in, there's a screen that you'll see, and then just come to the bottom, click on Get API Key. And as you can see, I already have 2 here, but if you're just doing this in the first time, you won't see anything here. You can just come into Create API Key. You want to name your key. So let me just name this Gemini API Key 3, example. After you name your key, you can choose a imported project, or you can just go by default Gemini project and just click on Create Key. And then your API key is going to be created. And as you can see, this is the one that we have just created. And if you want to rename this, very easy. Just come here, click on this 3 dot, click on Rename Key, and then you could rename this key. And to copy the API key, you can just click on this icon, Copy API Key, and then you'll be able to paste it into whatever programs that's asking for the API key. So this is how you get your Gemini API key.